In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media calendar in Notion. To get started, open Notion and create a brand new page that will serve as the home for your social media calendar. Give it a clear title so it's easy to recognize later. This page will become your main planning space where you can organize upcoming content and keep everything in one place instead of juggling scattered notes or ideas. Once your page is ready, add a content database. This is the core of the system because it allows you to store each post as its own item and track important details in an organized way. Think of the database as the engine behind your calendar. It gives structure to your content planning and makes it much easier to manage multiple posts across different platforms. Next, add the key properties you'll need for each post. Include a platform property so you can label where the content will be published, such as Instagram, LinkedIn, or another channel. Add a post type property to identify whether it's a reel, story, carousel, video, or something else. Include a caption field so you can draft or store the text that will go with the post. Then add a status property to track progress, a publish date so you know exactly when the post is meant to go live, and a content idea field to capture the concept behind the post. These properties help turn a simple list into a practical planning tool. After that, switch the database to calendar view. This is where your content plan becomes visual and much easier to understand at a glance. Instead of scanning rows in a table, you'll be able to see your posting schedule laid out by date, which helps you spot gaps, avoid bunching too many posts together, and maintain a more consistent publishing rhythm. Now start adding your planned posts to the correct dates. For each item, fill in the relevant properties so every post has enough detail attached to it. Even if an idea is still rough, it's helpful to place it on the calendar early so you can build a realistic content schedule ahead of time. As you manage your workflow, use statuses like idea, writing, scheduled, and posted. These labels Vishaji make it easy to see what stage each piece of content is in, and they help you move from brainstorming to publishing in a more organized way. Finally, review the calendar every week to plan and organize your content. A weekly check-in helps you stay on top of deadlines, prepare upcoming posts, and adjust your schedule when needed. With this setup in place, your Notion social media calendar can become a simple but powerful system for staying consistent and organized.